Ready Together is a try-share model approach to solving the childcare problem in our area. This model gives an opportunity for employers to get involved and support their employees in being able to be available to come to work. Using the Ready Together model, it gives us an opportunity to share the tuition costs.
So I think for us, it's helped in getting access to childcare. We had looked around several places and they didn't have the capability to fit our son into those spots due to the complexity of his disorder.
Being a nurse is my second favorite job, which comes after being a mom, which is my favorite job. I have a 4.5-year-old and an almost 3-year-old. And when they were born, I was able to take off some time away from work and spend at home with them. And after a couple of years, I was ready to go back. I miss being a nurse. I miss taking care of my patients, being around them. But one of the hurdles that we had to cross was finding affordable and quality daycare that worked for our family.
Though we both were already working, the time that it takes to travel back and forth to another child care center and worrying about pick up and drop off at certain times, adjusting our schedule to meet Graham's needs around appointments. Some child care centers haven't been able to work with that, but the Ballard Early Learning Center has really helped support anything.
Another added benefit of this try-share model that may not come to mind when you first think about childcare is the support that it lends to economic development. It means that new businesses interested in relocating can look at your facility or your community as a thriving place where their employees could be supported. It also means that child care centers have a stable source of funding. So because they're receiving a grant from the state, they know that they are going to have a consistent number of children enrolled at all times, and that the funding for that child is going to be consistent over time.
With this program, my 2 kids have been able to attend Ballard Health's Center for Early Learning. They are surrounded by the kindest teachers who love them so much. They can't leave in the afternoon without getting a hug from each of their teachers before they go. My son will go to kindergarten next year, and I'm confident that he will be prepared and ready for all that he's learned there.
I think that they do a fantastic job of getting to know the kids and the families. I think that goes a long way. Feeling comfortable when you drop your kid off, knowing that they are each special and not just one person over another. So I think it's great.
So it's a really innovative project. It's very exciting that we were able to pilot it here in Southwest Virginia and has been hugely successful with families and employers. And we hope to continue and expand it in the future.
Knowing that my kids are safe and loved while I'm away from them at work just means everything, and it's all because of Ready Together.